Hey everyone! Today we're looking at incredible lucky moments on the rails, where the line between risk and safety is razor thin. This video is all about raising awareness for rail safety. Watch. Thank God it was the railroad worker who saved the man's life. Stopping a train isn't as easy as hitting the brakes on your bike or car. When you take that risk, you're not just putting yourself in danger. You're expecting the impossible from the train operator. Don't gamble with your life over a few seconds of impatience. Call it a birthday or a comeback. Either way, we're just glad he's still with us.
С крыши упала плита, прям, слава богу, никто не пострадал.
Accidents don't always come with a warning, but if you see a white truck swerving on the Verrazano Bridge, it might be time to keep your distance and get you. Just be patient and wait for the train to pass. I'm betting those two just got a crash course in how not to pull out from an alley.
and every day. Safety, as you know, is paramount.
This has to be the most chaotic press conference ever. If you agree, drop a 1 in the comments.
Вот идиот, а?
Trains move fast and hit hard, but luckily the driver only suffered minor injuries. He was taken to the hospital right away, and now he's recovering well and getting ready to be discharged soon. That's how they create coral reefs where marine life can build new homes. The cars are stripped of their lights and cleaned before being dropped into the ocean. A few train cars unexpectedly tipped over while the train was moving, but luckily, no one was hurt. If you were in this situation, what would you do? Never try to test your strength against a train. It's hard to believe people just walk on the tracks like it's no big deal. Do they really think the train is going to stop and wait for them? Follow the traffic rules so you never end up in a mess like this. Not just the owner, but that black car got pretty lucky too. Thank God for keeping us safe.
O cara é doido, é?
Meu Deus do céu! Como é que esse cara faz isso?
É de empresa.
Meu Deus, eu não tava vendo esse trem,
É de
não.
empresa.
Ever seen a boat like this before? If you have, drop a 2 in the comments. Flooded tracks aren't a reason to stop the train, since modern trains are built to be waterproof and aren't affected by water.
没有啊，干差一点啊。好啦，等一下，你那边等啊。
They probably think the train will stop and wait for them. Be a smart and safe driver.
Échale.
If you don't want your car smashed like a pizza, keep a safe distance from the tracks.
Hasta aquí mi reporte, Joaquín. Que le vale verga, que le hagan como que...
With the crazy traffic in this city, it's a big challenge for officials to find real solutions to keep people safe. Wow, that steam whistle is awesome. It almost sounds like music. I love steam engines and the way they sound. He drove his pickup truck like he was rushing to the supermarket to clear out the entire sale. But with this approach, no store would want to welcome him. Always control the accelerator and brake to avoid dangerous mistakes. Stay calm, react quickly, and be cautious when driving near hazardous areas. Driving on soft snow is very dangerous. Avoid braking too hard to prevent skidding. Stay calm and drive carefully to stay safe. I bet this railroad has the highest maintenance budget in the world.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Good thing the driver got out of the car before the crash. If they had just backed up a little further, this whole accident could have been avoided. You can't outrun the power of a speeding train, so why risk it? Stay safe, stay smart. It was an incident that didn't just disrupt train traffic, but brought the whole town to a standstill. This is probably the most iconic train crash on the internet.
Yeah, record me, you stupid ass car. Get out the car and see
I
me.
have children in the car,
Get out the
ma'am.
car,
I have
stupid ass
children
bitch.
in
You
the
should never
car.
cut. You should never cut, you stupid ass bitch. I don't give a show kids, you don't give minds, ho. Yeah, I'm on
What
camera.
an
I'm
example.
on camera.
Wow. Don't throw
Thanks for watching. Hope you're having an awesome day. We really appreciate you sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest content. We've got more great videos coming your way. Big thanks again, and see you in the next one.